Hello and welcome back to Sheena's Homestead. I'm here with Liliana. This video is going to be a nice quick video. We are showcasing 3 of our favorite kiddie cocktails or mocktails, whatever you like to call them, right?
I never tried them before, but this is my first time, so
She's gonna try. She'll be our taste tester for you. So we have 3 mocktails we're going to make. These are absolutely perfect for New Year's Eve or any party. The fun thing about them is they taste great to adults too. So if you want to make them in a kiddie cocktail version and then put your own liquor in them, whatever you choose to spruce up with, you can do that. So let's get to it. Let's make some cocktails. Woo! Okay, our very first mocktail that we're going to make is called a Sherly Temple. Liliana has been called Sherly Temple since she was little. She actually did a photo shoot for a dress she modeled that was completely Sherly Temple themed because of her curls. So I will make this one in honor of you. You want to try?
Sure.
Okay, so the first one, we need our lemon lime soda, which we have here. We use the brand Zevia. We've not had pop or soda, whatever you choose to call it.
It tastes a lot better with Zevia.
Yeah. I personally gave up pop when I was 17 years old for a New Year's resolution, and I never went back to drinking it. But we do have Zevia on occasion, which is sweetened with stevia, and it doesn't have any artificial colors or flavors in it, so it is our soda of choice, right? Or as we call it here in the Midwest, pop. That's what we call it, right?
Wait, what kind is this?
It is lemon lime Zevia.
So
that's the first thing we need. The second thing we need is Grenedine, which you can buy pretty much anywhere. Our Jewel Osco has it. You can get it at any liquor store. This is what it looks like. It is what colors it and flavors it, so it's gonna be extra yummy.
It looks like so purpley.
And then we have our cherries. Yum, yum, yum. These are really good ones too.
Cherries are really good.
These ones are from Whole Foods, the Tillin Farms brand. We love these for our Sundays, don't we?
Oh, they're so good.
Yep.
On any dessert.
Okay, so let's start with our glass here. And let's put a little bit of ice in there.
Can I scoop it up?
Sure.
And now the lemonade soda.
Good job. Now we're going to add a splash of our grenadine, and this is what gives it the color.
Can I pour it in, Mommy?
I'm gonna pour it in because this will stain your clothing.
Okay.
You ready?
Whoa!
How fun!
Look how awesome is that?
Really awesome. Okay. How many cherries you want? 2?
2 on each side, of course.
Okay, let's put 2 more in over here. That looks great.
But my cherries are gonna taste like this.
Okay, now for round 2. 2. Cocktail number 2 is so simple, so easy, and will probably be a kid and adult favorite at whatever your next party is. This is a gummy bear cocktail.
It's so good.
Mocktail. Okay. This is a gummy bear mocktail. In my case, I am using little fruit jellies from Trader Joe's, but you could easily just use whatever, even fruit snacks or gummy bears that you have around the house. So let's get to it. We are going to drop 2 of these in each of our champagne flutes. Okay, 2 at a time. Just do 2 at a time. Okay, let's put them in. Go ahead, put those in. Okay, so now we're going to add our lemon lime Zevia. Here, let me get the first one started for you since it's so full. Lime. That's okay. 2. That one is so pretty. It's like a science experiment, isn't it?
So cool. Look at the bubbles.
So as time goes on, these will disintegrate into the drink and give the drink that flavor. Isn't that cool?
Whoa, that's gonna be really cool.
Yeah. Okay, so you want to try one with me?
Sure, I think I'll try it.
Okay, let's put these 2 to the side. Well, cheers. Ready?
Cheers.
That is really good, and it will be even better as that disintegrates in. But for right now, it's really pretty. So that's a good one. Do you like that one?
I love both.
Okay. All right, we are down to our 3rd mocktail. Mocktail. We don't need technology. We can do our own special effects, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the next one we are going to make it in a pitcher. So this will be enough for everybody. Okay, so we're gonna start by letting Will put the ice in. There you go. Shake that stuff. We're gonna put a little bit more in. Okay.
That's a lot of ice cubes.
Okay, now we're gonna start with 1 cup of lemon lime soda. Put it right in. Good job. You didn't spill a drop. Good girl. We are also going to put some raspberries in at the bottom here just for color and for funness. Fun flavor. Okay, let's get some on that side. All right. Okay, the next thing we are going to use is orange juice.
Which you usually get it at Costco.
Yes, we get this one at Costco. So you're gonna pour in about 2 cups.
That's good.
2 cups of orange juice and 1 cup of pineapple juice.
You can use any kind of pineapple juice, you know. Any kind.
And 1 cup of pomegranate. Okay, so we used about 2 cups for us, but you can do whatever you like. Look at that. Let's give it a little spin, little mix, little twirl here.
That just like
that is looking good.
That just like when you stirred it, it just went like dirt. Like
yeah. Okay, so then we have our matching glass. So cute.
We can pour it in.
Okay, and now I'll show you how I candy these oranges for absolute garnish perfection. Okay, so I've taken my little clementine oranges here and I cut them really thin. And then I also put just a slice in the middle so that they can go on our glass when we're ready. But this is what they look like right now. We've got our little bowl of sugar.
Which
You know what we're gonna do?
Yep, it makes it
We're gonna put one in this way and one in that way. And the edges too. And look at that. It's so pretty. So that's gonna be on the edge of our glass. You can do these and just lay them down right here. We'll use them in a little bit when everybody gets their glass. Good job. And this is also fun for kids to help you with as well. So not only will they drink the Kiddie Cocktails, but they can help you make it, which is what it's all about, right?
Yep, I love
Helping?
Love baking.
You love baking and helping, but most of all, we just like being together, right?
Yeah.
You're my buddy.
Pretty much.
So there we go. Super cute.
Right.
I'm gonna just leave these here while we assemble the rest of our cocktail. All right, so let's put this to the side. And I'll pour you a little Kiddie cocktail for yourself.
You're so funny, Mommy.
I'm a goofball, that's for sure.
You're a goofy ball. So am I.
Okay, you want to try?
Sure. That is so good.
Which one do you like the most? Number 1, the Sherly Temple. Number 2, the Gummy bear drink. Or number 3, pomegranate, pineapple, orange juice.
I can't choose.
But pick one, pick one.
I think this one was my favorite.
Yeah. I think I would like that one too.
Is it okay? Sure.
Holy cow. That is actually really, really, really good. Really good. Fresh ingredients really are key. I used the pineapple juice from Costco. Organic, 100% natural, no sugar added. Organic pomegranate from Trader Joe's. And organic orange juice, also Costco. Oh yeah. So that is definitely a win, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we go give some to everybody else?
I love giving out stuff.
Yeah.
You know what?
Thank you again, friends, for joining us for another quick episode of Sheena's Homestead. If you liked this video, please like, comment, or subscribe. I have other videos down in the lineup. Browse through them, see if there's something in there that might help you or something you might like to watch. Thank you so much for coming along with us on this journey. We made 3 completely different mocktails today. Did you like them?
I love them.
Good.
And make sure to hit the subscribe bell.
The subscribe bell, yes. That lets everybody know when a new video is posted.
Yep.
Yep.
Every time.
Every time. You'll be the first to know. Thank you so much, friends. We hope you enjoyed this episode. It was a quick one. All my other ones are a little bit longer than this, 30 minutes to an hour. But this was just a quick jump on, and we thought we'd share this with you because we really enjoy these drinks, and so do the kiddos, right?
Yep.
Happy New Year.
Oh, here we go. This one, it's so good. Yum. Tastes good.